This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Monday morning. Joe Vazurek visiting with meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, fairly mild the next few days and more chances of precipitation sneak back into the tri-state area.
Yeah, Joe, after a busy week of weather, we started last Thursday with severe weather, and we had it all the way through the weekend. And there were hundreds of tornadic and hail reports across all of the Midwest, ranging all the way from Texas through Oklahoma, up to Nebraska, then back out here all the way into the plains. And then we saw a nice rainfall because we were more on the backside of that system here, particularly on Saturday and then what we caught on Thursday. And we saw anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of precipitation. It kind of ranged from an area of 2 inches through Thomas County to 3.5 up around McCook. That was the heaviest band. And then other areas had bands of 1 to 3, with generally 1/4 to 3/4 in between. And that was all north of I-70 mostly. So that was beneficial, good rain for the farmers and ranchers in those areas. We should start to see some improvement. Our 30-day departure improvement is now plus in those areas. And if we get some more rain, that'll definitely continue to help with these drought conditions and dryness. Out there this morning, we were really kind of cool behind that system. We got temperatures in 36 in McCook. We got 39 in Atwood, 37 Oberlin, 40 in Oakley, and 41 out there in Burlington and Midland. Winds are turning to a westerly direction. They'll be more west-northwest this afternoon at 5 to 15 miles per hour. That'll push our high temperatures into the 70s. We're going a high of 74. Tomorrow we'll see even warmer temperatures in the upper 70s as those northwest winds become breezy at 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour. We'll watch a system that'll be going through southern South Dakota and eastern Nebraska tomorrow afternoon, evening. It looks like any severe weather will be up in those directions in northeast Kansas, up the Missouri to Sioux Falls, and maybe 1 or 2 sneaking back into that Furnace, Norton County areas on the backside. We could see some thunderstorms maybe in our eastern listening zones. Then we get to Wednesday. We got a stronger low pressure and trough that'll come through from the west. That'll give us increased chances for showers and storms. We do expect severe weather later in the afternoon, evening, potential for the large hail, damaging winds, and a few isolated tornadoes. High temperatures will climb up there into the upper 70s to near that 80 degrees on Wednesday. Overnight lows will fall into the lower to mid 40s, and then we've got the main upper trough coming through for Thursday and Friday. That'll keep the chances for shower and storms in the forecast through Friday night. Cooler temperatures in the upper 50s to middle 60s those days. And then we should be warming back up into the 70s for the weekend with a drier period for a few days and maybe some more rain later on next week.
Chris, as we get towards the end of this upcoming work week, do you expect to see those thunderstorms that are possible? Any of that activity severe?
It doesn't look like the Thursday, Friday into the Saturday timeframe stuff looks severe. A lot's happening. The high pressure is kind of pushing down from the north and west, and it appears that severe weather activity will go into Oklahoma and to the southeast more, and we would be more a cooler, more general type scattered activity stuff on the backside.
Okay, once again, that's meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.